Guerrero here of review.com.ph. Today we're going to do an unboxing of one of the latest two smartphones of Huawei, the Nova 3. And we are going to be unboxing this with one of the two people behind Discover Manila, Miss Lucky Alabado. Hi!
Hi everyone!
Long time no see. We haven't seen each other for like months now. You're always outside, you're always traveling, you're always taking photos of food. Oh my god, so yummy. So yeah, when you go out, when you travel, do you always bring with you a DSLR? You take photos with a DSLR, or do you also use smartphones sometimes, or I don't know?
Since we're always on the go, we want to keep things light, so it's better for me to always bring a smartphone rather than a big camera.
How about the storage, or?
Oh yeah, actually,
you need
the maximum storage available.
The more the better.
Really what I need.
Yes.
Exactly.
So let's do the unboxing now.
So I'm quite excited with this unboxing because I've been using the Huawei Nova 2i for quite a while.
The one that was launched last year.
Yes, and I was so happy with it. So knowing that there's a new Huawei Nova 3, I'm excited with what's in store.
Okay, go ahead.
So
let's see what's inside the box first.
Yes.
Later,
okay.
Now the phone.
This is actually my first time doing an unboxing video.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
now we have the SIM ejector. Is that what you call it?
SIM eject tool.
And then there's a case.
There's a case. It's I think it's a clear one, right?
Yes, it's a clear silicone case
to show the beauty of the back of the phone,
which we'll see later. And then we have the charging cable.
Here's the charging cable.
And the earphone.
Okay. And one more.
Of course, the adapter, the power adapter.
This, by the way, the phone has a 3750 milliamp battery, and it's fast charging, supports fast charging. There are no manuals anymore, so that's about it. That's what's inside the box. Let's go to the unit itself. It's... Okay, you can do it.
Okay. Alright. Wow!
The one that we have is the iris purple color variant.
I think this is glass. That's why it reflects so much. It's like a mirror.
It is. So unlike the Nova 2i, that one is metal.
Yeah, it is.
This one is glass.
And it actually feels heavier.
So it feels more premium?
It does, and it has a better grip for me. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slip off at any moment, which is very important, especially if I'm on the go.
Well, and to think this is 6.3 inches, the screen.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's huge, but this is actually about the same size as the 2i. The 2i has a 5.9 inch screen, and this one has 6.3 inches. So it's perfect more for, for viewing content, for
taking photos.
Yeah. There are two cameras on the front. There's a 24 megapixel sensor here paired with a 2 megapixel one. And on the back, there's another 24 megapixel sensor, but this time it's monochrome.
Oh wow.
And it's paired with a 16 megapixel RGB sensor.
Nice! You know what? That 24 megapixel monochrome camera helps us a lot whenever we take photos of landscapes and food.
And yeah, by the way, this is the only phone that has AI cameras both on the front and on the back.
Oh wow.
So it's not just
front also?
Yes. So it's not just on the back, just like the other phones. So what do you think about the screen?
Well, I like the full view display. It makes framing shots easier since you can see exactly like what you're trying to lay out, what you're trying to compose. So it helps a lot whenever we take flat lays of photos of food.
Oh, that's what you always do.
Yes.
Don't you get hungry when you do that?
We actually do, but I try to suppress it until after the shoot.
After the shoot?
Yeah.
So
we're gonna eat after. Yeah.
How's your diet?
It's so hard.
Yeah, it's 19.5 is to 9 again. The Nova 2i is 18 is to 9 screen, the aspect ratio. This one's bigger. And yeah, taller, so perfect for, for checking, viewing your content, consuming content even. Yeah, so yeah, Lucky, let's do the food shots. I challenge you.
Come on, let's go.
No,
You'll do great, I'm
no,
sure.
you have to teach me how.
Okay.
All right, let's do the tutorial.
Come on, let's head up. So one of the things that I consider whenever I'm shooting food is I should have ample lighting around.
Alright.
So it's nice that we have a well-lit studio right now, and it doesn't actually overpower the color of our food, so it's perfect. One thing that I consider whenever I'm shooting food is the props that I use.
Alright.
So the props should actually complement what we're shooting. So everything should make sense. If that it matters that the props that we put actually complements the food that we're focusing on. Your gadget and your weapon of choice is very important.
Yes.
So it's nice to have like a best friend that would help complement the photos that you're taking. It helps you improve it. So like what we have here with the Nova 3, the AI helps me adapt to the situation perfectly. So it identifies the scenery that I'm in and it adjusts the light to how it should be. When I have more time in my hands, I go to the Pro mode.
Yeah, this one is a Pro mode.
Yeah, it has the Pro mode, which I love.
Yes.
So the Pro mode actually lets you adjust the light as like how you want it with the perfect setting.
So I know we've taken a lot of food photos today, but we're not just highlighting the dual rear cameras, we're also highlighting the dual front cameras. There's gesture effects, which is not available on the Nova 3i. Yes, this one is just for the Nova 3. And we have backgrounds as well. And 3D objects where, you know, you can put like a penguin just on the table. Yeah, so let's try...
Gesture effect.
Gesture effects, yes. Let's try this one. We have a lot. For this,
We have 4 gestures.
yeah, 4 gestures for that.
You can do this.
So, this one. Oops. There!
You put heart.
And it shows heart. You can be Doctor Strange as well. There you
You
go!
can have like superpowers.
There. Let's try 3D emoji.
Oh yeah, I love
Alright.
that. I
What do
always
you
go
want to
for
do?
the penguin.
I go for the chameleon. This is... There.
This is the penguin. The
It's
penguin's
so
my
fun.
favorite.
I swear guys, using the front cameras is so much fun. If you want the fun factor, definitely go for the Nova 3. So again guys, this is the Huawei Nova 3. We've done a lot with this. We've taken a lot of photos, we've taken a lot of videos as well, right? All of the fun factors, and I've learned a lot from you. Thank you for all the tips that you shared with me and with our viewers. Thank you so much, Lucky. I'm Alora Guerrero.
I'm Lucky Alabado from Discover Manila, and thank you so much for having me, and I hope you guys enjoy the new Huawei Nova 3.
Check it out, guys.